Ako yung manliligaw na meron ng dalang lugaw. We had an exchange of hearts.
Ayun guys, dito gaganapin ang aming Christmas party sa Makati Palace Hotel guys. So tara, let's go!
I would like to introduce you. We are honored to have them. Our first judge is the owner of our company, brilliant and handsome and very talented. Brilliant, handsome, and very talented.
Oh, did that ice cream yan?
Alam na kung kanino mapunta yung 3,000.
Oo, alam na. Sino po muna source? Hindi ko bitaw yun.
Manalo kayo 3,000 sa team mo. Bigas to pa. Pare-parehas kayo ng tok-tok. Pagalingan na lang. Parang naging suman na sila dun sa stage.